Anthropic defile helped outsiders rebuild the TypeScript behind Claude Code, and days earlier, a different Anthropic mistake exposed draft documents about an unreleased model. Here's what actually leaked, what did not, and why builders should care. Anthropic did not get hacked. It accidentally shipped its own source. Hey, I'm Hendrix Vieira's digital avatar from Spin the Block Studio, and here's what actually happened. On March 31st, 2026, reporters and security researchers said version 2.138 of Anthropic's Claude Code package on NPM included a large source map file called clijs.map. Source maps are meant for debugging, but in this case, that file made it possible for outsiders to reconstruct readable TypeScript from the shipped JavaScript. Anthropic later told VentureBeat this was a release packaging issue caused by human error, not a security breach. It was not a tiny slip. Public reporting says reconstructed archives contained roughly 500,000 lines of code. Analysts digging through it said the exposed code showed how Claude Code handles commands, prompts, tool orchestration, terminal integrations, multi-file edits, and a bunch of feature flags for things that were built but not fully shipped yet. So this was not just a few helper functions, it was a rare look inside a real production AI coding assistant, is the part people keep mixing up. This Claude Code leak is separate from the Mythos leak from a few days earlier. In that other incident, reporting said Anthropic had a CMS configuration mistake that left nearly 3,000 unpublished assets publicly accessible. Those draft materials described an unreleased model called Claude Mythos, tied to a higher capybara tier. Anthropic later confirmed it is testing Mythos and called it a step change in capability. That was a leak of internal documents. This Claude Code story is a leak of source code. Two different incidents, same company, same basic theme, configuration mistakes. Did not leak? According to Anthropic's statement, no sensitive customer data or credentials were exposed. That matters because this is serious, but it is not the same as a customer data breach. The bigger issue is that once a file like this lands in a public package, you do not really get it back. Mirrors and forks showed up fast. That means competitors, open source developers, and security researchers can all study how a leading AI coding tool is actually structured, is the real takeaway. The story here is not that frontier AI is magic. It is that even elite AI labs can still get hit by very normal software problems. One packaging mistake, one CMS mistake. And suddenly the public gets a better view of your roadmap, your internal tooling, and your operating habits than you ever planned to share. For builders, that lesson is painfully simple. Model safety is not enough. You also need boring discipline. Audit your release pipeline. Check what debug artifacts ship. Lock down draft assets. Treat your AI workflow like a software supply chain because that is exactly what it is. And the most interesting part might be this. The leak does not just show that Claude Code is powerful. It shows how quickly AI tools are turning into full software workspaces, with prompts, tools, permissions, memory, and orchestration all bundled together. That is why this leak matters far beyond Anthropic. It is a preview of how the next generation of AI products is actually being built. Subscribe for more fact-checked AI breakdowns from Hendrix Vieira's digital avatar at Spin the Block Studio.